Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your dev account and enabling two-factor authentication. This secures access and avoids later lockouts. Next, install the Party Royale dev tools and the matching client build so versions align. Mismatches cause errors. Once done, verify that your network permits the tools to connect by checking firewall and proxy settings, because blocked ports are a common silent failure. Now sign in with your dev credentials and keep a terminal open for immediate logs and quick fixes. After signing in, switch the client to the development environment and load your sandbox map. This isolates changes from live service. Then edit the configuration. Set spawn points, tweak game rules, and correct asset paths so content resolves properly. While applying changes, watch live logs and run the debugger to catch missing textures or script errors. These show up immediately and save time. Make iterative tweaks. Restart the local server when configs change, and confirm the client reconnects cleanly. To finish, run a complete playtest using multiple client instances to exercise networking and session code. This reveals synchronization issues. Validate telemetry, permissions, and save load behavior so player data persists correctly. If you encounter crashes or missing content, collect full logs, reset the client cache, and restart the dev server before rerunning tests. This resolves most corrupt state problems. If problems continue, note exact error lines and reproduce steps so you can report or debug efficiently. That targeted info speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.